Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today we are going to calculate about the molecular mass as well as the equivalent mass of the given atom present in the compound. Now first problem, calculate the number of moles in 9 gram of ethane. Now you want to calculate the number of moles present in 9 gram of ethane. So the mass of, first you have to write mass of ethane equal to 9 gram. Next the molar mass, molecular mass or molar mass of ethane is C2H6 in this 2 into 12 plus 6 into 1. So 2 hydrogen and 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Carbon atomic mass of carbon is 12 and the mass of hydrogen is 1. So 24 plus 6 equal to 30 gram per mole. So the mass. Now we are going to calculate the number of moles present in 9 gram of ethane. So next, number of moles in 9 gram of ethane is nothing but the given mass divided by molar mass. The given mass is 9 gram. So what is this? 9 divided by 30. So this become 3 and 1. So 3 by 10 equal to 0.3 moles. 0.3 moles. So how many number of moles present in 9 gram of ethane is 0.3 moles of ethane present in 9 gram. So you can, based on this you can able to calculate the number of moles for the given amount of the substance, given amount of compound, any compound. First you have to find out the molecular mass and then you have to find the molar number of moles by the given mass divided by the molecular mass. First you have to, the first step is to find the molar mass of the compound. Whatever the compound given, you have to find the molar mass and then the number of moles. The number of moles given in the given mass. So the given mass is divided by molar mass. By this you can able to calculate the number of moles. And next one, in the next problem we are going to calculate the number of molecules. The number of molecules of oxygen gas contain 224 ml in volume. Now at 273 Kelvin at 3 atmospheric pressure. Now you want to find the number of molecules. Last problem have calculate the number of moles, now number of molecules. So the molar mass of oxygen gas is 22.4 liter. Now you want to convert this into milliliter, so that can be multiplied by 1000. You are going to get ml and 22,400 ml. This is the molar mass. And then next, what is that? 224 ml. So the 224 ml, 22,400 ml of oxygen contain oxygen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So now that molar mass of oxygen, so irrespective based on the Avogadro number, all the irrespective of the gas, equal volume of gas contain equal number of molecules. So what is the standard STP is what? 22.4 in liter. Now we are going to convert the liter into ml by multiplying 1000, you are going to get 22,400. So the 22,400 ml of oxygen contain how many number of molecules? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Now we want to calculate now in 224 ml how many number of molecules present. Now therefore 224 ml of oxygen contain how many number of molecules? This is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by, what is the mass, molar mass of this? 22,400 into the given volume. The given volume of the gas is 224 ml. 224 ml. Now you see that the 224 ml of oxygen contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by molar mass 22,400 into the given volume 224 ml. Now which one get cancelled? 224 and then 100. So this become 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 100. So here 23. You cancel this 0, this become 21. So now 6.023 into 10 to the power 21 molecules. So how many molecules are present in the given volume of oxygen gas? 224 ml of oxygen gas contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 21 molecules. Based on this you can calculate the number of molecules, because the basic one is the number of particles can be calculated from carbon 12 gram of or 1/12 part of carbon 12 isotope. So by the Avogadro, so the Avogadro number based on that. So from this we are going to calculate the number of molecules. If number of moles means the given mass divided by atomic mass. By this you can able to calculate the molecular mass as well as atomic mass. And next one, you are going to calculate the equivalent mass of the given element. Now what is given? 0.456 gram of metal gives 0.606 gram of chlorides ion from the metal. So the metal is going to be combined with the chlorine in the form of chloride ion, and then calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Now first we want to write the mass of the metal. Mass of the metal is taken as W1 gram. That is taken as W1. What is the mass of the metal is 0.456 gram. And then mass of metal chloride. because the chlorine can be combined in the metal in the form of chloride. So, the mass of metal chloride is taken as W2. What is this mass of the chloride is? Metal chloride is given as 0.606 gram. Now, mass of the metal, mass of the chlorine. Now, mass of the chlorine equal to W2 minus W1. So, what is the W2 value? 0.606 minus W1 0.456. Now, you subtract and see 0.606 and 0.456 0.51. So, this is 0.15 gram. So, the amount of chlorine present in the metal which combined with the metal is 0.15. Now, next you are going to see that (35 gram of chlorine combine with. So, what is given now? What is the amount? The 36 gram of chlorine is, what is the amount, mass of the metal? 456. In this only what is going to combine? The chlorine is going to combine. So, 0.456 equal to 0.456 divided by 0.15 into the mass of the chlorine is 35.46. Now, you cancel these two by dividing. See this, 3546 2 times 30, then 554, 3 times 45, 9. So, 96, 6 times 90, remainder 6.04, 415s are 0. So, this can be how? 236.4. Now, you multiply these two. If you multiply 0.456 into 236.4, you are going to get 107.79 gram equivalent, gram per equivalent. So, by this you can able to calculate the equivalent mass of the given atom present, either it is present in the combined state. Here the chlorine is going to be combined with the metal, and the amount of chlorine or the equivalent mass of chlorine present in the metal can be calculated. So, these are all some of the calculation you are going to learn from the basic concept of chemistry. So, thank you for watching this video. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you.